In today's video we will understand advanced multiplication. According to Vedic Maths, multiplication is a rule in which you can easily multiply 2 or 3 digit numbers. It will be on 2 or 3 digit numbers. If you add their unit digit, then their sum will be 10. Should be same on both sides. So let's multiply 42 by 48. You will see, if you add their unit digit, then their sum will be 10. And also the digit of 10's place of these numbers. So first of all we will multiply 2 by 8. 2 by 8 will be 16. And this is the answer of your right hand side. To find the answer of left hand side, we will take the successor of 4. 4 is on 10's place in both the numbers. So the successor of 4 will be 5. Successor means the number just after 4, which is 5. Now we will multiply 5 by 4. Write 20 in your answer. This is the answer of your left hand side. Total answer is 2016. If you multiply 42 by 48, first of all we will multiply the number of unit place. 4 by 6 will be 24. We always need a double digit number. 24 is a double digit number. Now we will take the successor of 3, which is common in both the numbers. 4 by 3 will be 12. Write 12 in your answer. 1224 is the answer of your right hand side. Now we will multiply 89 by 81. Let's see how we can solve this question. The number of unit place is 9 and 1. If we add 1 and 9, then it will be 10. And 8 is common in both the numbers. Now we will multiply 9 by 1. But we need a double digit number. So we will not write 9 alone. We will write 8's successor. 9 by 8 will be 72. Write 72 in your answer. 7209 is the answer of your right hand side. Now we will multiply 61 by 69. Multiply the number of unit place. 1 by 9 will be 9. But we will not write 9 alone, because we need a double digit number. So we will write 09. Now we will take icse's successor, which is 7. 7 by 6 will be 42. Write 42 in your answer. Now we will learn how to multiply 107 by 103. If we add 7 and 3, then it will be 10. And 10 is common in both the numbers. Multiply the number of unit place. 7 by 3 will be 21. Now we will take 10's successor. 11 by 10 will be 110. 11,021 is the answer. Now we will multiply 108 by 102. Multiply the number of unit place. 8 by 2 will be 16. Write 16 in your answer. This is the answer of your right hand side. For left hand side, now we will take 10's successor. 10's successor is 11. Write 110 in your left hand side. But perfection will come when you practice and get perfection in advanced multiplication. Thanks for watching this video.